Hey friends, have you ever wanted to draw a cute cartoon dolphin? Well, today is the day. Grab your pencils and let's get started. We'll begin by drawing the dolphin's body. The first line on the body almost looks like a C, and then we'll close it off with what looks like a backwards S. Notice that the two lines almost come to a point at the very bottom. And remember to draw lightly so you can erase when you need to. I'm going to darken my lines here just so that you can see it better. Now we can add the beak or the snout of the dolphin, which is actually called a rostrum. Then we can add the dorsal fin. So I actually think I want to change the way that dorsal fin looks. And remember, when making corrections, make the corrective mark first, and then you can erase the lines you don't need anymore. That way you won't erase more than is necessary. Here we can draw a line for the dolphin's belly. And over here I'm going to draw the dolphin's eye. Now I'll add some details on the mouth. Here we can add the flipper or the pectoral fin. And we'll add the other one right here. And these are called the tail flukes. And of course you can add anything you want into the background. I'm going to add some water splashes. Now it's time to color in the dolphin. All done. Thanks for drawing a dolphin with me today. I hope it turned out great. Click subscribe if you'd like to see more art videos, and if you enjoyed this one, click like. We'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.